The question is, how do sponsored product category campaigns work in Amazon PPC? What I do believe you were asking is, how would you create campaigns that are going to target specific categories? In answer to that, you would simply create a sponsored product ad and you have the option to select a specific category. Now, I'm not going to say it should be a manual campaign or a keyword targeting campaign or a product targeting campaign. Amazon is experimenting with a lot of A/B testing when it comes to specific categories. So you're not going to target specific products with aspects like star rating or specific brand name or how many reviews it has. Amazon is allowing you now, whenever you're creating a keyword targeting campaign, to switch and say that you want to keywords related to your brand or keywords related to someone else's brand and so on. So that is the gist of it. Basically, these are good campaigns. These would be considered still discovery campaigns unless you are going in exact match and you're targeting the specific product.